Understanding, I admire your work. A guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English learning channel. Today, we're diving into a very special phrase that you might have heard or want to use in your conversations. I admire your work. Understanding this phrase not only helps you in expressing your appreciation for someone's efforts but also enriches your English communication skills. Let's explore its meaning, usage, and some examples together. I admire your work is a phrase used to express a high level of respect and appreciation for someone's efforts, achievements, or talents. When you say this, you're acknowledging the quality, dedication, or impact of someone's work, whether they are a colleague, artist, writer, or any professional. The key component here is admiration, which signifies deep respect mixed with wonder or love. This phrase can be used in both formal and informal settings, making it a versatile tool in your English communication toolkit. Here are some scenarios where it's appropriate to use. Professional contexts: praising a colleague's presentation, a team member's contribution, or a mentor's guidance. Creative fields: expressing appreciation for an artist's exhibit, a musician's performance, or a writer's book. Daily conversations: acknowledging a friend's cooking skills, a family member's advice, or a partner's support. When using this phrase, your tone of voice and body language should convey sincerity and respect to match the weight of your words. To help you better understand how to use I admire your work, let's look at some examples. 1. In a professional email, I've read your latest report on market trends, and I must say, I admire your work and insights. 2. During a networking event, your speech on renewable energy solutions was inspiring. I truly admire your work in this field. 3. In a social media comment, your paintings always tell a story. I admire your work and creativity. I admire your work is a powerful phrase that can help build connections, express genuine appreciation, and create a positive atmosphere in both personal and professional interactions. We hope this video helps you feel more confident in using this phrase in your English conversations. Thank you for watching, and remember, we're here to help you navigate the beautiful journey of learning English. See you in our next video.